Guys, are you tired of feeling lazy and unproductive while coding? Well, fear not, because I have the solution for you, coffee or tea. Welcome to the magical world of coffee and coding. In this video, we will explore the magical connection between coffee and coding. But first, get to know each other a little. I am a programmer with zero coding skills who loves coffee, and sometimes I make videos for you. So if you are ready to learn how to become a coding productivity machine, grab a cup of coffee and sit back. The science of coffee and productivity. Did you know that coffee is not just a delicious beverage but also a productivity booster? It's true. Coffee contains caffeine, which is a natural stimulant that can improve function and productivity. Studies have shown that caffeine can enhance memory, increase alertness, and improve overall performance. So it's no wonder many coders rely on coffee to power through their work. Coffee is a secret weapon of programmers, but as everything in life, moderation is key. Too much coffee can lead to jitters, anxiety, and even a caffeine crash. A caffeine crash is a feeling of extreme tiredness. So make sure to drink your coffee in moderation and listen to your body. Imagine programmers who drink too much coffee and start coding at lightning speed, but then crashes and falls asleep at their desk. Coffee and coding. So how does coffee improve coding productivity? Well, coding requires focus, attention to detail, and problem-solving skill, all of which can be enhanced by a caffeine. I remember one time when I was working on a challenging project and I couldn't figure it out. Then I had a cup of coffee and suddenly the solution came to me. But coffee is not just a productivity booster, it's also a coding ritual. Many coders have their own unique coffee rituals, whether it's a specific mug, a brewing method, or a particular coffee shop. Coffee hacks for coders. Now we know that how coffee can boost our coding skills. Let's forget the most important coffee hack of all. Don't spill your coffee on your keyboard. If you are feeling adventurous, you can even try coding with a coffee-infused keyboard. Try different types of coffee to find the one that works for you. Schedule your coffee breaks. For example, have a cup of coffee before diving into a challenging coding task. Whether you are going to copy it from Stack Overflow, coffee can be a powerful tool for boosting coding productivity. So the next time you are struggling with a coding problem, try reaching for a cup of coffee. Thank you for watching this. I hope you enjoyed this exploration of coffee and coding.